Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're here going turnip shopping again, like always. And the dodo code is BGG1Y. So if any of you guys want to use that dodo code, sure, go ahead. The dodo code is BGG1Y. Got that? BGG1Y. Okay. I've told you enough times now, and there you go. BGG1Y. You just gotta remember that. Or it's BGGIY, which I don't think that's correct. So I'm gonna go with BGG1Y. Welcome to Dodo Code. If we have Dodo Code, let's go there. Obviously, we're doing this because I love visiting people on Sundays and getting stuff from them. I love doing this. Like, I love visiting islands and having fun to any islands I can imagine of, because it's so fun, you know? Like, the first episode we went for turnips, it was very interesting, and I loved it. It was fun. Okay, how do I want to travel? Let's go Dodo Code. Dodo Code. B G G 1 Y. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep, that's the one. Cinnafin. Instead of cinnamon, cinnafin. Why not? Special shout out to the people that own these islands and let random people just come to your island. It's amazing. And also a big shout out to the viewers of this video and the viewers of all my turnip exchange videos. This has got to be my favorite thing to do, because you know me, I'm a nice guy, love visiting islands. The only time I probably wasn't so nice is when I started stealing from that one guy. Remember the turnip scheme? Remember that episode? The turnip scheme? And I think we were on the island of Gaia. Yep. It's called the turnip scheme, and it was actually pretty good. Just the thing I hate about this is that people keep coming. People keep coming to the Turnip Islands. Oh, Molly's here. I think that's Anka? No, I don't think so. Yeah. We're gonna exchange turnips first things first, but then we're gonna look on our map and see what's going on in this island, because it looks like a 5-star to me, and I'm very proud of this person. I can say. I think we're in good hands right now. Oh, 90 bells per turnip. That's what they had here. That's amazing. 90 bells per turnip. Can you believe it? Sure, Apollo. Oh my god, these are all villagers I want. Actually, I don't really want Sherb. Just saying that now. I don't know if you guys like Sherb. I'm not that much of a fan of Sherb, but if he's on an island, I'll take him. Oh, right over here. Right over here. That's her. What's up, Daisy? Good morning. You're here to start your Sunday off. It's a fresh. Okay, whatever. 90 bells each. Okay, perfect price. 90 bells each. Remember, you guys should use the Dodo code too. Go to the start of the video. Check out the Dodo code, because this is a good island. That's good. No, we need more than 400. Come on. 780. 780. Yep, Okay. 780 turnips. That's nice. Decent price. Yeah, perfect. Try to earn a nice surprise. Okay, cool. Stupid Daisy. Okay, we're gonna look at our map now, like I promised, and we're gonna take a little tour of this island. Okay, Emily's here. She looks kinda hot. And we have Sydney. Hate, love, sorta love, love. What the I don't think I've ever seen this villager, so I'm gonna leave him blank. Love. She's very cute. Molly's very cute, but yeah. Love. Love, I guess. But look at this island. It's like one side has nothing, the other side has stuff. I think this island is gonna be based on like a natural kind of feel. That's what it looks like to me right now. And I wonder if it's a 5-star. Because it never said. But I like how they made their neighborhood. Do they have a backyard? Yeah, they have a little backyard. Sorry guys, I'm getting rid of my backyard because it saves space for me to decorate. Because you know me, my playground is very big. But I can take some ideas from this island. It's very pretty. Whoa. That's for you. I'm gonna ask her if this is a 5-star, because it sure kind of looks like a 5-star. The decorations aren't so nice, but some of them fit right with the feel. It's amazing. Oh, I love this farm. Yeah, oh yes! Yes! It's a 5-star! 5-star island. I show my viewers around. Okay. Where's museum area? Let's see, where's museum area? Oh, it's up in the north. Okay. Let's go up north, guys. I'm gonna look at my phone, see if she said anything about my YouTube channel. Some parts aren't done. Okay, some parts aren't done, guys, but this is a 5-star. So, congratulating her. Maybe after the video, I'll give her some suggestions on the museum. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh my god, this is what I hate. I wish I could just have like a private show. I don't know, I'm gonna ask to be your best friend. I'm not sure if she'll accept, but I need more friends, because I've been pretty unlucky in turnips lately, so Baba, arriving from Baba, nice. Yeah, I'm probably gonna ask to be your best friend. I'm not sure if she'll accept. I don't know. I don't rip people's islands apart. Just letting everyone know that. I don't rip islands apart, honestly. The only time I've taken from someone was probably those damn fruits from that random guy's island. I took a little too much and didn't really ask for that much. Man, I'm gonna ask to be your best friend. Oh, I don't know what she's gonna say. But I got extra turnips from this lady. Or lady. So, I know, she deserves a thank you back. Are you fucking kidding me? Right after somebody comes, another one is here. Oh my god. What? I would check my phone right now to see how turnip exchange is going, but I'm not going to. What's happening? Lid. Tuptown. It's a grandpa. Ooh, it's a grandpa playing this game. Even grandpas are playing this game. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to you grandpas playing this game at age like 60 to 100 or something. I don't know. But shout out to you guys. You guys have a life. Okay. You're good. You're good, man. You play Animal Crossing with the kids? I wonder if his grandkids play with him. Oh my god. Grandpa playing video games, though. I would imagine, like, a dad playing video games. Like, my dad always plays video games with me. But, like, a grandpa, I'm like, what? That's probably him when he was younger. Looks pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Or he just picked grandpa even though he's not a grandpa. Or he wants to be a grandpa. I don't know. It's confusing. I'm gonna tell her to be my best friend. No. Oh, best friend. Oh. Oh my god, where? What are those flowers? I'm not sure. I want to find her. Oh, let's play some piano. Good enough. Thank you very much. Okay. I want them both to leave so I can have a private conversation. Oh, there's purple windflowers. Oh. I did not know that. I have orange land. I have orange land. I need some of this stuff, but I can't take. I can't take without asking. Yes! Oh no! Or don't tell me we have 4 people on this island. We have 4 people on this island. What the heck, man? Leave me alone. Stop. Okay. Good. We don't want anybody here. Leave. I dare you. Anyways, Turnip Exchange is awesome, and this might be the best Turnip Exchange I've ever witnessed. I feel like if I asked to be her friend, maybe she'd say yes? I don't know. I'm kind of shy to ask, even though this is an Animal Crossing. Like, I don't know. I mean, I'm friends with one girl, but that's a mother of her child, which is a boy. So that doesn't count. But like, if we're talking about a girl, I need to friend this person, because this person, first of all, she's nice to me. Second of all, her island's amazing. Third of all, her turnip prices might be good too. So, or maybe she can help me work my island up to a 4-star, just like hers. That's also a good one. Shady Animal. What the hell? Shady Animal. What a name. Okay. Shady Animal. Andrew. Isla Nublar. Isla Nublar. Okay. Cool. Oh my god, he's so weird. Can't you only get a crown if you get 5-star? Is that correct, or is that not real? Or is that not correct? So I think that's how it works. But I'm not sure. Where is everybody? Where the frick is everybody? Okay, so hyacinths can grow pink. That's perfect. I needed that. That's amazing. That's good news. So can cosmos. Should I get a pink hyacinth or a pink cosmo? The pink hyacinths look way better, so I'm gonna go with pink hyacinths. I don't care what Jaden says, because his starting flowers were all cosmos. So you would just pick that. Hello, who's host? Okay. This is a nice island. I think it's going for a natural feel. Okay, I'm just gonna run around. We gotta catch up with this tour because the video should almost end. Oh my god. Look at all these trees. She's got the perfect orchard, but I got an orchard island. I love how like a grandpa is just coming. It's just amazing. I love how Grandpa came over. Check this out. Check this island out. Did a little bit of a turnip exchange. Okay, this is a nice idea for a campsite area, camping area. I'm probably gonna take this idea for myself. This looks nice. I'm gonna probably move my campsite onto the cliff. Cause look how nice this looks though. Like look at this. Cedar trees all around, barbecue. Wow. That's an amazing design. An amazing shout outs to Emily. Like she said she's still working on the museum area, but I think the rest of the town is done. Pretty sure that's how I'm pretty sure that's what she means. Why her island's not done. Let's talk to Sherb. You're the one who's visiting from YouTube, Minty-X? I need to write thank you very much. Bug off. Bug off. What's a bug off? June 27th, your calendars for the event. Hope to see you all. Bug off. Fishing tourney. I think these are only for 5-star. Or, June 15th. Maple's birthday. Sydney. Wow, there's a lot of June birthdays here. Like, look at this. Bruce. He has Bruce on their island. I didn't see that. I didn't see Bruce. Go. Oh my god. Okay, he's leaving. When he leaves, leave. Leave, you kiddo. Leave. Move. I'ma try hard. I'ma try hard. I'ma wait till this big boy leaves. I'ma try hard. I'ma try hard. I'ma stand here until he leaves. Got a life too, just not you, son of a little bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just busted a move. Holy shit, who cares about lid? I'm sorry for interfering. I didn't see the ball. I'm so embarrassed. I'm very embarrassed. I am very embarrassed here. I want to leave this island now. I'm very embarrassed. Okay. Cool. Leave that there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just because of money. Just because of money. Oh. Who's here on this island? Like, I'm confused. Who's... Okay, he's leaving. Thank God. Leave. Leave, please. Maybe can we be best friends? I gotta break it. I gotta break it. This person's so nice. And I think I want to come to their island again. Definitely. I have a life too, you know. My controller's broken too. This is really the good time to have a broken controller. Oh my god. Friend. Oh my god. No. Back a space. I don't grieve. Don't. And come on. Bring a tip. Bring Tip. How hard is it to spell tip? I guess this is it. Son. Anyways, guys, we gotta end the video. I'm just gonna sit in here for hours and hours. I wanna stay. Let me stay. Is that? Oh! Okay, I'm just gonna. I'd love that. I'd love that. Okay, guys, see ya.